Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday. Day of rest for most of you. Not this one, not this chef. But that's okay. I love what I do in my kitchen/lab. And I get to have more fun today. But let's talk about last night. Last night was technically Pasta Friday, and I ended up calling the dish cold box pasta. Because basically everything came out of the cold box, the refrigerator. It was good, but I repeat it, with some changes. But hey, I took a risk and I had fun. That's the point. All right. The culinary expedition continues today. Today we're going to be in Congo. They call it a stew. I think in American standards, we wouldn't call this a stew. Maybe. But what I'm going to be preparing for this evening's meal is Fumbwa, which is a Congolese spinach stew. There's some goodies in this, and I get to have fun today and put together a blend. I'm glad I looked it up. All right, let's get to it. All right, we're going right to the software. Chicken thigh, shrimp, half of this onion, about 3 Roma tomatoes, and of course, spinach. I decided to go with baby spinach with this. I love working with baby spinach. Rest of it is salt, white pepper, oil. I will be serving this over white rice. The blend I talked about is called Maggi, Maggi. It's kind of a seasonal. It usually comes in cubes. Salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, parsley, thyme, rosemary, paprika, and some bouillon. Now you can use chicken bouillon or beef bouillon. So here's all the software for tonight's meal from Congo. Like I said, I get to have fun putting the blend together. When I first saw this recipe, and actually after I read it a second time, I saw the Maggi, because I saw cube. I just immediately thought that it was just another word for bouillon cube. It's not. There's bouillon in it, but this is a simple one, and I have all the goodies to go in it. It'll take me a little time, just a little bit. All right, so on this Saturday, the heat is still here. Hydrate, stay cool, stay indoors as best as you can. So on this Saturday, have a great day, eat great food, and as always, my friends, have fun cooking.